So what is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. As you can see, we've installed another super wallpaper which is just launched recently, Saturn wallpaper, and you can install it on your any Xiaomi device very easily. How it works, let me just show you once again. This is a lock screen wallpaper, and when you open this you will see these kind of animation that looks very much cool. I'm using this thing on my Redmi Note 8 and you can use this on your any Xiaomi device. How you can do that, make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm gonna share with you now. So guys, if you want to install these wallpapers, how you can install that, you just need to install this apk file link is in the description. You can just go and download that easily. It may be around 54 MB, so just download the apk, click this one, it will ask for the installation. This is the wallpapers app, and as you can see it will show you the version and the size, and replace the app with this version. Click on install, just wait for the installation to finish. Okay guys, so when the installation is finished, you will see this screen here where you see the option of delete the APK or done. You don't see any option of opening these wallpapers. So how you can do that, let me just show you. Okay guys, let me tell you one more thing. If you open the wallpaper section, like if you're using Redmi Note 8 and in any custom rooms where you don't get the super wallpapers option available, how you can use that? As you can see, I don't have the super wallpapers option. How I can do that? You just need to install the app from the Google Play Store. The name of the app is Activity Launcher. As you can see, if you're using a Miui based ROM, then you need this method, and if you're using any other ROM, then I already told you which method you have to use. I'll provide the link in the description for that video. You can go and check it out. Now if you have Activity Launcher installed, click on open. Okay, then wait here. Here what you have to do is go for the wallpapers, or you can simply search for that also if you want to. So just click here, then you will see super wallpapers here if it is available for you. So just click here, the super wallpapers, and the super wallpapers are launched. When you see the screen here, you will see all the super wallpapers which are installed on your device. You will get here like home, the red planet, they have pre-installed, and now which we have installed right now is far away rings. As you can see, it's here. You can do that, simply click on apply from here and then it's done. Let me just show you. And this is the super wallpaper which we were just talking about. Let me show you by opening. So guys, this is the screen which you get here after installing that super wallpaper app from there, and this is how it looks. This is how you can install that, and this was quite simple. This was quite easy to install it on your device. If you want to install it, you can follow these steps and you'll be able to use super wallpapers, the Saturn super wallpaper on your device. This was all from this today's short and simple video regarding how to install the Saturn super wallpaper from Miui 12. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.